count on in hundreds from 7,028. Write the first three numbers below. Okay, so again, just read it and do what it says. Number 20, same thing, but a little bit different. And for number 21, it's just asking you to tell me the value of the digits 9 in each number. So please just read the directions and follow them. For number 22, it says to write true or false for each regroup part. Correct any that are false. Okay, so again, reading and comprehension, make sure you're reading this carefully and doing what it says based on the instructions. Number 23 is just write equals, less than, greater than to make each sentence true. I will have an answer key in the description down below. So that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video.